tariki 24 naguo mweri ari wa mugira njara mwaka wa 2024 na ningai kugeithia na ngai kunyita ugeni gokore ni methenya muthingi TV mohoro hwaini ngekomenyithia maria magitinda makeyumiria na magikunuka ituri ngurani goko bururi-ini wa Kenya no mbere ndaya njitikiria twendetwo mukire matemu
Africa has the potential to be a crucial part of the solution for the world.
President William Ruto guthina mbere na icera riake bururi-ini wa Amerika guko magitungana na President Joe Biden.
Mafuriko tafadhali imekuwa kwa wingi sana. Tumeshangaa kwa kumpoteza mzee wa umri zaidi ya 8 years.
Makiria ya ndugurigana rimwe ria 40 na umwe guthama nderi-ini cia njugu ku brand ni ithiite na mbere kuhairia ingi. Mawoni makana mirani yagiriirwo gwitikirio kana gwikirwo mikana guthie na mbere gwakiriria.
Gaikuririkania ati no kenyitanire na ithu na njira ya imwe kwa imwe mohoro-ini maya kuria nenda-ini cia ukinyanĩria Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, YouTube ni Muthingi TV. Nyingi kwamukira riakwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi na tukianjiria na marete gwikuhariria tukirongoreria ripoti ya icera ria President Ruto kule bururi-ini wa Amerika na ni ati gicera-ini riri President William Ruto hamwe na murunawe wa bururi wa Amerika Joe Biden magikireire kana ni magikiranire ngirimiti makiri cia gutigirira ati ni makigathika ona kuongerera mitaratara itiganite na ni itemi ria gutigirira ati ni makihurana na ugaruruku wa rĩera ni itemi ria gukorwo makihitana na mathina makoretwo makiumana na ucenjia wa rĩera goko bururi-ini orondumwe na mabũrũri-ini ngũrani. Ino ripoti igituhingurira mohoro maitu ma hwaini.
Climate change is a global problem that cannot be solved in isolation. As pioneers of efficient market solutions, we all understand that compartmentalization leads to sub-optimization. Failing to recognize and build on areas where partners and friends can be more efficient and effective together drives up costs and slows down transition and even undermines innovation. Our countries need transformational investment to build climate resilience, transform our economies, and respond to crisis. The world urgently needs to mobilize larger amounts of resources to facilitate green transition and tackle climate crisis. While I firmly believe in global collaboration, we must also recognize the necessity of long-term strategic partnerships. We aspire for our electricity generation to be renewable 100% by 2030. More importantly, we aim to expand our grid and electricity generation to power green growth to 100 gigawatts by 2040 to support a middle-income country with a green industrial and manufacturing backbone. When one is as green as we are, the challenge transcends a mere green transition. Our potential and ambition reach much higher. We aim to realize climate-positive, clean growth. Opportunities abound from primary processing and smelting of minerals to electric mobility, clean cooking transformations, green data centers, and regenerative agriculture. You may have noticed yesterday there was an announcement of investment of $1 billion by Microsoft, G42, EcoCloud of Kenya, to build a regional data center in Kenya. That speaks to some of the opportunities green energy and green industrialization can bring about.
He understands better than anyone the power of nature to heal the planet by doing everything from cooling ground temperatures to sequestering carbon to preventing floods by absorbing excess rainwater. He has announced a goal to plant 15 billion trees by 2032 to increase Kenya's forest cover from less than 10% to nearly 30%. And we at USAID have been honored to support Kenya's conservation efforts, helping the country restore ecosystems, protect wildlife, and establish carbon markets that will help Kenya benefit from the incredible value that safeguarding these ecosystems creates for our planet.
Na tugithie na mbere ni ate ruhonge rwa gibũrũri rwako kana ruria ruramataga na matura marĩa makigomagirwo na njĩra nene ni ng'aragu na nĩ rũkĩambĩtĩkĩte icera rĩa kũrĩa mwena wa Kĩrĩo na nĩ itemi rĩa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ makĩgeria gwetha kĩhonia kĩa ngahĩha na ngucanio iria ciumaga gatagatĩ ka ndũrĩrĩ cia arĩithi mwena ũyũ nĩ kĩgomano kĩrĩa gĩtanyĩtwo gĩkorwo gĩkĩrehe hamwe atongoria ngũrani arĩ hamwe na akendini itemi-inĩ rĩa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ndũrĩrĩ cikaraga mwena ũyũ nĩ ciagĩikarania na thayũ.
Ukakawia ungekimbia wakati ule. Mbona ni ribe nyanda ribe nyipigo mali.
Ruhonge rwa gĩbũrũri rũrĩa rũthũrimaga kũrĩa kũrĩ na ng'aragu na kũrĩa gũtarĩ thayũ gũcaria kĩhonia kĩa haro gatagatĩ ka ndũrĩrĩ iria cirĩithagia iria cikoretwo cikĩgũmĩrwo nĩ wĩici wa mahiũ, ũragani na ũthũkangia wa indo. Ceceni cia mohoro Edwin Tum umwe wa andũ arĩa me mũbango-inĩ ũcio augĩte no nginyagia mũcemanio ũyũ ũrehe hamwe atongoria gĩkanitha arĩa thirikari na ndũrĩrĩ iria cihutĩtio nĩ ũhoro ũyũ.
Jina naitwa Metrinto from State Department of Arid and Semi-Arid Lands. Tuko hapa West Pokot, tuna forums, tunatembea kwa all counties concerning peace and conflict management. Our aim ama nia yetu ni kupata maoni kutoka kwa communities wenye wanakaa kwa arid and semi-arid lands.
Simon Aleo munene wa thayũ kaunti-inĩ ya Pokot irathĩro mwena-inĩ wake augĩte atĩ no nginyagia andũ othe makorwo ho.
Today I think it's a big day for us because all of us have come in as a team and we believe that at the end of the day when we have been thoroughly sensitized, we will have a way forward as a West Pokot county, as a county that is unique in itself.
Simon Aleo munene wa thayũ kaunti-inĩ ya Pokot irathĩro mwena-inĩ wake augĩte atĩ no nginyagia andũ othe makorwo ho.
Simon Aleo kutoka sub-county ya Kachaliba and Pokot North. Mimi ni mwenyekiti wa amani ambaye nimeshughulikia kwa muda mrefu hii kazi. Naona ni kazi muhimu kwa sababu inajali maslahi ya watu wetu ambao wanatembea na ng'ombe. Ningesema kwa sababu ofisi ambayo inahusika na mambo ya asal na areas, tunashukuru maana tunajua kwamba tulikuwa tumekuwa na challenges.
Atongoria a kĩndini maugĩte atĩ kanitha no nginyagia wĩyumĩrie nĩguo kũnyitĩrĩra ũndũ ũyũ, ũndũ ũrĩa ũtũmĩte Kerio ĩtũre ĩ thutha ũkĩringithania na ndũrĩrĩ iria ingĩ. Ngĩribotera Mũthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kamau wa Kahonoki.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. nyitanira na ithuĩ o muthenya nigetha tukorwo tukinyitanira hamwe guteithia na kugarurira maisha ma andu. Save a life, transforming lives.
Uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda nĩ rĩrĩ amu Muthingi TV nĩ irakuhe mweke wa kwanĩrĩrithia kĩmenyithia nĩguo ũkũrie biacara yaku na njĩra nene. Tuhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 077572 kana ũtwandĩkĩre email nĩyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. Ũka tũtume ndũgũ na tũtirithanie hamwe amu ndũgũ nĩ makinya.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o muthenya nigetha tukorwo tukinyitanĩra hamwe guteithia na kugarurira maisha ma andu. Save a life, transforming lives.
Ngaragi kuhoya muhera ni tondu wa buriki iyo ya naihenya no ritu githie na mbere ni ati aikari makiria magana matandatu kuma wadi ya Gitugi makiri na gitumi gia ukenana ni thutha wa ikorwo magiteithika na mai matheru ma kunywa kuringana na aikari ya maugite ati makoretwo magithinika kwa ihinda iraya riria makoretwo makihanda ng'endo ndaya magithie rũĩ-inĩ gukorwo magietha mai ma mahuthiro.
Mĩciĩ makĩria ma magana matandatu kuma wodi-inĩ ya Gitugi marĩ na gĩkeno thutha wao kũgunĩka na maĩ matheru ma kunywa.
Sisi sasa wakati tumeona mifereji imeanza tumefurahi sana.
Jimbo inene aikari a gĩcagi gĩkĩ kĩa Kabarang Nyangate koretwo magĩtaha maĩ marũĩ kũrĩa ũndũ ũyũ ũramaheaga ihinda iritũ kũruta mawĩra mao ma mũciĩ.
Tulikuwa na shida sana sisi wa mama. Jumaji unaenda mbali kuchota, alafu maybe unaenda unachota mitungi 3. Hiyo maji haitoshi hata kwa boma. Sasa inabidi watoto wakitokea shule kuliko wakuje wafanye study wanaendea maji. Saa nyingine wanarudi usiku. Sasa wewe mama, wewe mzazi inabidi uende huyo mtoto wako. Juu maybe ameenda huko amepata kuna line.
Mũgamĩrĩri wa wodi ya Gitugi Edwin Wairagu nĩugĩte atĩ ũndũ ũyũ ũrĩa nĩ wa milioni 1 nĩũgũteithia mĩciĩ makĩria ma magana matandatu na oho nĩeranĩire atĩ mĩradi ĩno nĩ kũhe andũ wĩra gũtwara maĩ mĩciĩ-inĩ yao.
Ili shida tujaribu kuitatua, kwa maana hii eneo ya madhio yote hasa Gitugi na hii eneo ya chini ya Gitugi kuna kuwa na shida ya maji. Kuna pale panaitwa Nyagete, hapa Kabara, hapo Gitugi Center na mahali kwingine pana ya Karego, hii shida ya maji iko. Na sasa tumejaribu kutatua, tuone vile tutaweka. Tuko na hii kampuni inaitwa Katamathi ambayo ndio inatupatia maji, ndio service provider ya maji eneo hili. Lakini tumeongea na wao ya kwamba tunapoweka hii mifereji na hao watakuja kuweka maji ili nao watu wajaribu kuigiza maji katika manyumba zao. Ni vizuri hata kama pesa kama hizi sirudi mashinani, kwa sababu sasa kama ni milioni 1 imepeanwa Gitugi, hata wacha watu wa Gitugi wasaidike na ile kidogo itapatikana. Na hiyo ndio kazi ya kufanya kazi ya mikono kama vile wanachimba. Na nikasema vijana wote watafutwe, wamama, wazee, vijana wote watafutwe wakuja hapa wachimbe hii maji. Na ndio sababu niko hapa nikiwitness ya kwamba kila kitu inaendelea vizuri. Tafadhali tupatie watu wetu maji. Tunajua maji ndio kitu ya maana sana hasa katika eneo lote la Murang'a na particularly hapa Gitugi. Watu wa Gitugi ni wafugaji, ni wakulima, na tukipata maji kama hii itatusaidia.
Nilivyotera Muthingi TV jitagwo wakio wa Mushogo.
na othoria kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru nĩ magĩthingatĩte ambunge korwo na kana gũkĩrora mabataro ma mũkenya na makĩria hĩndĩ ĩrĩa magũkorwo magĩikara thĩ kwarĩrĩria ciĩgiĩ ndereti ya watho wa kĩgĩna kĩa mwaka wa 2024-2025 kũringana na othoria aya maugĩte atĩ ndereti ĩno ya watho ĩkĩrĩ na maũndũ maingĩ kana marĩa magũkorwo makĩhatĩrĩria mũkenya na ũguo magakĩũria ambunge gũkorwo makĩrĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki ona kana matana kĩmĩhetũkia.
Munini wa mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa ahũri biacara a Naikuru niwe John Kamama erire ambunge a kaunti ĩyo matigĩrĩre mĩgambo ya Kenya nĩ yathikĩrĩrio na nĩ yekĩrĩrwo kĩgĩna-inĩ mbere ya kũmĩhetũkia.
The situation is not very good. It's not very good. Although we have that hope, the taxes are too many and it is obvious to everybody. So especially the finance bill that is coming up to give proposals, but the vote in parliament will count. So we urge all the voters, members, to join hands together and pinpoint what will affect them in future. Everybody, you sell this morning, in the evening, you consume in the evening the stock. And therefore, I urge the government to look into the issues of consumption, especially that issue of everyday life.
Gĩkundi gĩkĩ kĩa ahũri a biacara kĩaririe mũcemanio-inĩ wa kũgacĩrithia kaunti ũrĩa ũgũbangĩtwo nĩ bengi ya Absa kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru, kũrĩa ahũri a biacara arĩa mareyũkĩrĩria monirio ũrĩa mangĩhota gũtheremia biacara ciao ona kũrĩ na moritũ maingĩ.
The object is to create that awareness and bring them up to speed on the opportunities that are available for them. We want to give them international exposure, and we have partnered with some key stakeholders that like the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry, ITC, and that's empowering our members to connect not just within the county. We are also linking them up with the extra county, the whole country, and even outside this country, and it is allowing them to have access to market. So that's one. Number two, access to sustainable financing. So we realize that for a long time, most of the business people were coming into the bank to look for financing to enhance their business. But we realized that it should be broader, and that's why we brought in the aspect of additional trainings. Right now we are partnering with Strathmore, and we are running some programs to empower our business customers to upskill themselves on the various skills that they need to be able to run and manage their businesses. So those are some of the programs we are running.
Manager wa bengi ya Absa ya mwena wa Rift Valley niwe Julius Songok augire atĩ bengi ĩyo nĩ yũkĩte na mũbango wa gũteithĩrĩria ahũri a biacara nini arĩa me sector-inĩ ya SME nĩgetha mahote gũtheremia biacara ciao.
Very good solutions for our women in business, and we can lend to them up to 10 million unsecured. We also give them an opportunity to access international forums with very good mortgage proposition solutions. We have asset-based financing where we finance them to buy equipment, movable assets, and that enable them to grow their businesses. What we are doing today, part of the discussions we are having with our clients, is for them to be prudent in the way they are managing their businesses. We know the macros, they cannot continue to think expansion all the time. It's good to look at the trajectory of the business, align their priorities so that they can ensure that their businesses stay afloat.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangari wa Njũgũna.
Nginyagia kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga na nĩ atĩ thirikari kũgerera minĩtĩ ya mathomo kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga yugĩte atĩ namba ya airĩtu arĩa makoretwo magĩthiĩ mathukuru nĩ yonekete kuongerereka nĩ kumana na mũbango wa thirikari kũgerera mũmbunge kana mũtumia mũmbunge kaunti-inĩ ĩno rĩrĩa makoretwo makĩambĩka ya gũteithĩrĩria arutwo na makĩria airĩtu na kũmahe taurũ cia ũtheru.
Thukuru-inĩ wa mũthingi wa Rwagondu gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Mwea kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga nĩ kwa mũbango wa ũheani wa taurũ cia ũtheru ũrugũrĩtio itanya arĩ kũgitĩra mwana wa kairĩtu mathomo-inĩ.
We are happy to have received quite a good number of sanitary towels for our junior secondary school, and This will help us because the girls will no longer have problems of absenteeism from the school, because they will each get 80 packets, and these ones will even ease the problems to the parents.
Thirikari kuhitukira Ministry ya Githomo kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga yugite namba ya arutwo a airitu aria makoretwo magithie thukuru kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ikoretwo iri iguru kumana na mubango wa thirikari wa kuhe airitu tauro cia utheru thukuru-ini.
Since this program started, the number has been decreasing, and now we still hope that the number is going to decrease, because like now in the school that we are in, we have not had any cases of dropout of late of such issues. So the program is going a long way to ensure that our girls are retained in schools.
Kuringana na mubunge wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Jerry Maina, itanya ria thirikari ni gutigirira ati namba ya airitu aria me thukuru-ini cia muthingi matikwaga guthii kirathi kumana na kahinda ka mweri.
And we have said as county MPs that we must be responsible in ensuring that all our girls are staying in school when they have their monthly period.
This program will go a long way to ensure that our girls are in school when they are having their periods, such that they will not be out of schools. The parents will be at peace because some of their burden has been offloaded.
Jerry augete ati abunge ni magukorwo magithie na mbere na gwikira kigina kia mubango uyu budget-ini niguo arutwo aingi mathie na mbere na kugunika.
It is important that the government understands that we need even more funding beyond the Kenya shillings 940 million that was allocated in the previous budget, so that we can give all our school-going children sanitary towels and ensure they're at par with the boys. We're distributing to over 19,000 JSS students who will take 8 packets of sanitary towels each to ensure that when they have their monthly period, they stay in school. Most of these girls come from very underprivileged backgrounds, and you find that their parents sometimes do not have Kenya shillings 100 to buy a packet of sanitary towels for them.
Arutani makiuga ati rita riri makuruhanitie mathomo maya kuri nginya ciana cia tũĩ niguo mũbango ũyũ ndũkonekage ũrĩ ũndũ mũritũ kũrĩ ciana cia mathukuru. Maugite ati mũbango ũyũ nĩ ũkũhũra njeki arutwo na njĩra nene mathukuru-inĩ.
The main challenge when the girls are away or the students are away from school, the performance becomes low, or they perform very poorly because they miss the lessons. And so when they are in school throughout, they are able to perform quite very well, and that is why our school is performing in school.
Ngĩribotera Muthingi TV, Chitikaga Wangari wa Njuguna.
Na thirikari nĩ ĩrũgamĩtie mĩhang'o ya ithurano cia gwetha ũtongoria wa mũgũnda wa Kĩkonyoki na ũrĩa ũkoretwo na ngucanio kwa ihinda gũkũ arĩ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado. Nĩ itua rĩrĩa rĩkinyanĩirio nĩ county commissioner wa kaunti ĩno ũĩkaine ta Joseph Tari, na ũrĩa ugĩte atĩ makinyanĩirie mĩhang'o ĩno kumana na wagi wa mĩtaratara mĩiganu ya kũramata ithurano ici.
So far ile watu wamepiga kura hata wafiki 1%. So hawafiki 1% because nimeambiwa the less than 300. So na hiyo watu wako hapa ni approximately 20,000. So tumeona tukikaa hapa mtaanza kuchoka, muwe na uchofu, na mkiwa na uchofu na njaa na kiu mtaanza kukasirika. Mkikasirika mtaanza kufanya vitu vingine ikibariki na mlikuwa mnakuja kupiga kura. We really want to apologize for the inconvenience that hatukuwa tunaspeak kama the numbers of big, na mmekuja hata kwa wingi kuliko ile ilikuwa kwa register. So we really want to appreciate wale wamefika in big numbers. Hiyo tunashukuru nyinyi sana because najua wengine wametoka mbali sana.
Tumekusanyika mahali hapa tangu saa 10 ya usiku. Watu wamelala hapa jana, watu wamekaa na njaa, wamekuja kina mama pamoja na watoto na wazee wakongwe, hata wengine walikuwa na appointment ya hospitali, wengine wamekuja kwa sababu wanataka haki yao. Lakini tumeona ile ambayo tulikuwa tunalilia serikali kila siku ya national government imeonekana wazi leo kwamba Mr. Lengu ambaye ni governor wa Kajiado County amenunua secretarial yote, wale watu wote ambayo wanahusika na election. Hakuna vile unaweza kuniambia kwamba tumekusanyika mahali hapa kutoka ile asubuhi mpaka saa hii na tunahesabu kura 200.
Since morning, they have only counted 200 people from both sides. 100 people, 100 people. And it is because they have seen our masses, they have seen our people, they have seen our might, they have seen the support of our soldier, and we will soldier all.
But unfortunately, the pangili yetu haijawaka. We want to go back to the drawing board. Mtatusaidia muelewe hii kitu tuisukume within 2 weeks ndio tunoroshe na tukuje katika kila kitu.
Na ngeho kuhoya muhera tita uria ngwikurite ati ucio county commissioner etagwo Joseph no etagwo James Tari. Tugitigane na icio na ni ati ikundi 10 kuma matora maria makikoragwo mahimbiirie na njira nene urimi wa mahiu ni magikinyanirio uteithio wa kuheo miatu hamwe na indo ingi ni itemi ria gutigira ati aikari ane magithingatwo kuhimbiria urimi wa njuki ni hindi ino kuria makiria ya miatu 100 ria 40 hamwe na indo ingi cia guteithiriria urimi wa njuki iheanitwo.
Nguruvu 14 iria cikoragwo mena ya kuria kuigagwo mahiu riu ni makenete thutha wa kuheo miatu 140 ino iri ta njira ya gukorwo makirugamirira.
Naitwa Abdia Gede, natoka kikundi inaitwa Ismakal Women Group hapa Burat Ward. Mimi kwanza ni mkulima mpya wa nyuki na nimefurahi sana siku ya leo kwa sababu nimepata mafunzo ya kutosha kutoka E4 Impact.
Uyu umite thirikari ya kaunti ya Isiolo hamwe na gikundi kimwe kia thirikari kia E4 Impact guku nguruvu ici 14 o nguruvu ikigia miatu 10.
Hizo misinga tumeletewa ni misinga ya hali ya juu na ni misinga anaweza kutusaidia kabisa kwa sababu hako na stadi kwa mnyama alikuwa anatusumbua, lakini sasa tumeamini kwamba kazi yetu itaenda mzuri.
Tena na mutongoria wa mahiu na ndagitari wa mahiu Isaac Epuri augite hena bata wa muingi gukorwo makihimbiria wigi wa njuki kuona njuki citingio ta uria mahiu makoragwo makiyuo.
Tuko hapa kama kaunti ya Isiolo kama wafugaji wa nyuki. Ukiona hapa nyuma katika ufadhili ya shirika la E4 Impact tumeweza kureceive mizinga 140. Maeneo ya Kina tumekuwa na wafugaji maeneo ya Korbesa na Oldonyiro Centro na pia sehemu za Bulapesa Ward na eneo ya Ngaremara. Tumeona kwamba licha ya wafugaji wa mifugo mikubwa kama ng'ombe, ngamia na mbuzi, tunaangazia livelihood diversification ambayo inaangazia ufugaji wa kuku, nyuki, samaki na pia mifugo mingine midogo midogo kama sungura.
Atongoria a nguruvu aria marahirwo metano ni marakenereire muno guku magicokeria kaunti ya Isiolo ngatho na gikundi kia E4 Impact ni undu wa kumahe githomo na kumahe miatu. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV ritwa riakwa ni Kamau wa Kahonoki.
Na family mwe kuma tauni ya Kapenguria gukwari ni kaunti ya Pokot ya Ithũĩro ni gitigitwe na kiana ni thutha wa muthuri umwe wa family ino gikorwo akiofanirio ni muiro wa mai na ni kumana na mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩkorirwo ĩgĩthandana mwena ũyũ kũrerĩkana atĩ mũndũrũme ũyũ nĩ kũgeria arageragia gũkĩra rũĩ rĩrĩa aragĩtoririo nĩ makũmbĩ ma mai kana mai ma kĩguũ.
Muthuri umwe wa miaka 75 ni akwĩrĩire kĩrĩma-inĩ kĩa maĩ hakuhĩ na cukuru wa makutano thutha wa mbura nene gũthandana.
Tukisikiza mambo ya mafuriko ikiwa nje, lakini leo kuanzia juzi mvua imenyesha kubwa. Ghafla tumeitwa kuwa kuna mzee wetu ambaye tunamjua tauni hii amebebwa na maji. Ni tukio ambaye kweli kama sisi wakaaji wa makutano imekuwa ni tukio ambaye imetushtua sana, kwa sababu ni ghafla tu, na hii ni baadhi ya mambo vile nasema tumekuwa tukisikia mbali. Kwa hivyo mwito wangu kwa wananchi ni kwamba kila wakati tukiona maji mengi tusichukulie kuwa ni kitu ya kawaida. Hii ni kitu ambaye yenye imetendeka mbali, inaweza fanyika hapa vile imefanyika siku ya leo. Wakati unaona maji usikue mwepesi kuvuga. Kama huyu mzee tunaweza sema ni mzee mwenye miaka yake imeenda na imetokea ni bahati mbaya, tunaomba roho yake iwekwe mahali pema peponi.
Kanete muthuri uyu arathiaga kuhingura account niguo ahote kwamukira mbeca ciari akuru riri aratunganire na mutunu uyu.
Pata hii janga ya leo ya kwamba mzee amefurutwa na maji na akapoteza maisha yake hapa, lakini mpaka saa hizi police station ni karibu yuko hapa, lakini imechukua muda sana mpaka hata wanafunzi wamerudishwa huko ndani, waende wakae huko ndani mpaka mwili itolewe ndio wakuje waende nyumbani. So kuna penye watu wanalegea, haswa kama askari wamelegea, na kwa wito ya wananchi wote tujichunge, sababu mvua haijui mzee, haijui mtu kijana, haijui mwanamke, haijui mtu yote. So mtu jichunge tu, mvua ikikuja jikinge, ikiisha weenda, hakuna haja uriski maisha yako tu bure.
Ripotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Wakio wa Mucogo.
Riboti yo kuma kaunti ya Pokot ya ithũĩro gaitũ hemwe tũikĩrie oro hanini gĩthiĩ na mbere na kwaranĩria na ithuĩ ũndũ ũmwe na gũtihokera wĩroreri waku. Njikĩrie oro hanini ndũgathiĩ kũraihu, nĩ ndĩracokereria.
Pasta, mundu toyo okaga utuku fiu na ndari uguo tene. Thiguci ona thimu yake igikwira ndamihutirie ni password yekiraga.
Maundu ta maya nimo mahagurite ihiko nyingi, na ithuĩ Muthingi TV tugakurehera tabarĩra ya mwanya itagwo kwiregeria.
Ungikona mundu ciana cia nyarara muthu umenye mutumia ucio no monete
no nginya wambe wamukire mundu hietha thamake
o muthenya wa kiumia kuma thaa 4 cia utuku nginya thaa 5 na niĩ Njuguna wa Ngugi.
na nitwagicokereria gikunyita ugeni oro ringi na tukiri guku kaunti ya Nairobi na nyati kambuni emwe ya wendia wa migunda ni githingatite muingi gukorwo ukihuga na turia nime na makiria aria makoretwo makienderia andu migunda ya maigirira maugite ati andu aingi ni makoretwo magikungirio wara na gukorwo makienderio migunda ona gutari reke tukorwo kiamukira riboti iyo.
Led to Ms. Najero and Cruz forming a cartel which started processing title deeds of some plots without the consent of the owners. After processing the title deeds fraudulently, the cartel sold the plots to unsuspecting members of the public and also acquiring loans with those titles.
Sasa tu tunauliza, kwani hakuna sheria Kenya hii? Hakuna sheria na tunasikia wakisema ni wazazi wao, which we don't know whether it's true or false. Si tulinunua shamba kwa babao, lakini babao alikufa 204. Shamba tulinunua 202, mzee alikufa 204, ndio wanasema hao, lakini si hatujui kweli.
Videos going round, and one thing I can say without mentioning names is that that case is already on our desk, and what we can say is that that parcel of land is vacant. Whichever whatever plot is being shown going around in the media is not what is in dispute. However, both of those plots have not been cleared, So they are the management of Thome at the moment, the company at the moment. Until that time, when somebody is cleared, at this point, those parcels of land are still at the management of Thome. They have not come to this office. They very well know that when they gave their document, they presented their documents to the ministry for verification, their parcels were referred back to Thome for clearance. They have not come to this office. However, the other party has come here. We have seen their documents, but we have also not cleared them. All I can tell them is that they should come to the office. But there is one thing I would want the public to know, that there is a pattern that those people who are claiming that their land is being taken forcibly, they are saying that they bought from dead shareholders. And if you look at how they are presenting it, they buy the date of when they transacted, just 1 year or 2 years, the person dies. So we don't want to preempt anything. However, let them come for clearance in this office. We have all the original documents, and we have all the shareholders. Some are still alive, and even for those who have passed on, the properties belong to their families. We are able to identify them even physically, so let's do the due diligence.
Nacio njorua cia uthondeki wa indo na makiria cia GMO na njira ya gisayansi ni makiambikite mihango ya gutigirira ati ni magithomithia muingi ciigie uhoro wa irio ici ni mubango uria ukinyanirio kugerera anyiti itemi ngurani oro ndumwe na aria magitafaragira mihango ino ofama na kuria moritie mbeu njithi kumateithiriria na makiria hari kugathĩrĩria oro ndumwe na kuhimbiria mubango uyu wa kiriu wa urimi.
Leo ni siku ya International Day of Biodiversity. Hivyo ni kumaanisha kupromote coexistence of organisms in nature. Yaani kumaanisha hatuharibu mazingira na kazi ambazo tunazifanya. Na sisi kama watafiti wa ukulima na kama wakulima tunataka kuwa part of the plan, kwa sababu wito wa leo ni be part of the plan. Sayansi kwanza ni kutengeneza mimea ambayo inajistahimili against wadudu, against diseases ambazo zinadhoofisha mazao ya wakulima. Na kwa kufanya hivyo tunahakikisha kwamba pia tuna promote biodiversity.
Basically, personally, my research work is on microbial diversity in coconut plants, and I'm very passionate about agricultural biotechnology and how it can be used to reduce biodiversity in our ecosystems, which is currently a very challenging thing, especially with things like climate change, pollution, and invasive species getting into our various ecosystems. So basically, as a scientist, I've attended a lot of workshops in terms of like getting a lot of information about agricultural biotechnology, and the most controversial things comes in genetic engineering, whereby there is a lot of misinformation about this particular technique, and we have to organize a lot of seminars to be able to inform our youths about genetic engineering. We also have to use the various platforms, especially X and YouTube, because most of our youths are basically in these particular platforms, and we can easily reach them and be able to give them the information that is right.
Nitatoa kama tani moja kwa hiyo eka moja. Hata ni pamba haitoshi. Pamba inatakiwa ipandwe sana, hata haitoshi hapa Kenya. Sasa soko hakuna shinda.
Na mbeũ njĩthĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Embu nĩ magĩtanyĩtwo kũgunĩka na mũbango wa thirikari ya kaunti-inĩ wa ũkũria wa Taranda. Kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa mĩhang'o ĩno ya Taranda kaunti-inĩ ĩno, augĩte atĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ aingĩ makoretwo makĩũrĩra oro ũndũ ũmwe na iheo ciao kumana nacio gũkorwo ikĩaga gwĩkĩrĩrwo oro ũndũ ũmwe na kũnyitwo mbaru.
Naitwa Joyce Wawera Mwaneki na nimeokoka. La kwanza niseme ya kwamba mimi ni mwimbaji, kwa hivyo niko na talent. And wakati nilipoona kijana yangu ameanza kuwa na talent ya kudance, niliamua kwa moyo wangu ya kwamba nita nurture that talent, because niliona ya kwamba kama mzazi wangu angenurture my talent, maybe ningekuwa mbali sana.
Kwa 17 years na nimekuja Embu Talent Hub kwa sababu niko na gift, nimetalentiwa kudance and I was selected to be one of the dancers.
Sports and talent development tukifanya auditions za wasanii wetu various categories. Tumekuwa na models, tumekuwa na content creators, tumekuwa na musicians, tumekuwa na comedians, tumekuwa na dancers and very many others. So today it's like a culmination, though we have another great event where we've put around 100 of them from the various sub-counties ili wafanyiwe next level na trainers.
Valentine Kimani, ni media person, radio presenter, and hii process yote imekuwa mzuri sana, and we appreciate the county government na Sicily, because as the youth, kama nowadays unaona watu wengi wako into drugs, vitu mingi, lakini sasa sisi tukikuja huku na talents zetu tuna put our talents into practice, na inatusaidia.
Hiyo kinyagia kuri haro-ini na ni ati timu 16 kuma goko bururi-ini ni itanyetwo igakorwo ikinyitana kana ugatungana hari mbitikaini ya mubira wa cricket. Ni mbitika iri itanyetwo kiambiria mweri tukite wa gatandatu kumagia tariki 21 nginyagia 23 igithakirwo kuria runyanjara-ini rwa Olpajeta kaunti ya Laikipia.
Time we have 16 sides participating across 3 tournaments. The 3 tournaments are graded to the more social players, to the elite players at the top. They play for 3 different trophies, and the elite trophy is this one here, the Rhino Cup, and several of the players that will be playing in that top division are current or ex-Kenya internationals, a lot of Kenya's top club players. But then that goes down to the other levels of the competition, which is the Kifaru Cup in the middle, which is more for the mid-range sort of cricketers, and then the Sudan Smash at the bottom, which is named after Sudan, the last male northern white rhino, are in the 3rd division. That's for the far more social players. And that's such an important part of this event because it allows us to go out to everyone globally.
I would say Kenyan cricket is endangered at the moment, but I think that there are signs in the last 12 months or 2 years of improvement. And that's mainly driven by the fact that the Kenyan league, the domestic league in Nairobi, is improving and extremely well run.
Nacio mbitika cia gikombe kia Mozart Bet ni gitanyitwo igaikorwo igithii na mbere muthi wa kiumia kuria maundu magitanyitwo gwikara githemba giki timu ya KCB making'ethana na imwana cia Kariobangi Sharks na Kenya Police making'ethana na timu ya AFC Leopards. Nyagia kule bururi-ini wa Ngeretha nayo mbitika iria gitanyitwo na igiteirwo na njira nene igi final cia gikombe kia mbitika ya FA Cup na kuria timu ya Manchester United magitanyitwo igakorwo magithaka na ahotani a ligi ya EPL nio Manchester City. Manchester United maikoretwo maiyukitie gikombe giki maita 12 na timu ya Manchester nicio imwana cia coaches Pep Guardiola makiyukia uhotani maita 7. Ni mbitika igitanyitwo na igitereirwo na hikiki nene muno. Oni joe kuria aria tukinyitaga mbaru kirabu kia Manchester United tukiuga Manchester is always united. tugakiona uria maundu magikorwo makiumira. Ni ngatho ni tondu wa gitikira kunyitanira na ithuoro ndumwe na gutwihokera wiroreri waku. Mundu gwetuti Salome Muturi, Ezekiel Masa, Joseph Mwangi, Traore Sekou, Margaret Muroki, Steven Hilary, Peter Kim, Zole Sepunyu, Ezekiel na mundu gwetuti Pius Kenya Jwini Daike muona kuria nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria njitikiria gikire gaturumo hau tondu na mumatha merio matigetagira muthamaki. Mundu gwetuti wa Mbui wa Nja niwe muhariria kwa munene muno. Mundu gwetuti Mwangi Felix niwe mwerekeri wa kohaino wa muthike wakiuma kuria mwena wa graphics, nake mundu gwetuti Bilha Karuthi akiuma kuria nenda-ini cia ukinyanira. Mundu gwetuti wa Thika niwe wagitigira twakingira riera-ini na njira igwete. Ngai kwendithĩria utuku mwega. Umuthi ni Friday ni wa Kinyenda tugicamania kuria Kesha AIPC Bati kuu nikuo twiko tukiinikiria utuku witu. Ngai kwendithĩria utuku mwega. Ngai wa mwako gitire na kumenyere nginyagia muthe wa rucio. Ngai witu enda ni riakwa ni Mwangi wa Murugi.